This video out. The Honda parts scattered all over the place. It's kind of sketchy looking. Looks like somebody decided to dump trash all over the neighborhood or something. Like a car got chopped up or something. Jimmy John's. It's kind of an unusual finding. I'm a scrapper. I don't really know what to make of this. Hello? I don't know. I'm a scrapper, and it looks like somebody just tossed all kinds of shit there, because there's like a pile of stuff over by the stop sign by the frontage road. And you know, I've been junking forever. You know that. It looks like I found a Jimmy John sign in there too. It's like somebody stripped the car.
Earlier, it wasn't there.
Huh?
I went down the road earlier today.
Yeah, it wasn't there. You know, because somebody had to drop it in the last hour or so. They're sneaky too, man.
Yeah, well, okay, have a good one.
Yep. Yeah, always good to keep the camera rolling. You know, when you see something really sketch like this, keep the camera going, man. You know, especially if the cops stop, they'll be like, what the? I don't want to get blamed for any of it. King don't know what to make of it. I think I've been here long enough. I better boogie woogie. I don't want to have to deal with it, you know, because the cops can get kind of retarded when it comes to stuff like this. This is a totally. I'm just acting totally straight because, you know, it's getting the attention of everybody, you know, and the fact that I've been sighted near it. The fact that I've been sighted near it doesn't do me any good. So let's get out of here. $1.90 a gallon and going down. That's pretty good. Can you see that sign? Or am I too far away? It says 190. Maybe I should move closer. Alright, moving closer. Maybe this works. Because my camera doesn't... Boy, that light bulb's annoying, isn't it? Having that there. It's like a... It looks like a gigantic, like a monstrous fluorescent tube light bulb. Interesting special effects. Look at that. I'll sit here and marvel this. $1.90 a gallon. And $2.99 for diesel. I'm turning the camera to see if you guys can see it better. There's something about those LEDs. They don't photograph well. That's amazing. And it's supposed to go down some more. That really helps with the scrap life, but I am really curious to see what the prices are going to be tomorrow for steel. Because, I don't know, that guy from the iScrap app says that steel's going to go down. I don't know. I don't know. I don't believe it. But then again, today I panic pedaled a lot of my scrap and pitched it because I just don't trust it.